in such a short time kure kandi biri ha mutindo ng'abantu bona kuba abasima abagireyo kubireba mwebare munonga kandi mugumizemu mutyo kanto aro mugishoku. Therefore, although I handed over there to announce that I have handed over now officially the 4 projects to the people of Kigezi, of Kanungu district, as we are mentioned. Thank you very much.
That today we are here to hand over these symbolic projects to strategic allies, the people of Uganda, and particularly the people of Kanungu district today. Today we have handed over, sir, 2 classroom block at this school, at Kangarame Primary School. We also handed over a 5-stance sanitation facility at Kishenyi Primary School. We also handed over a footbridge that joins the bridge that joins Kihanda sub-county and Kambuga to facilitate movement of the people within these 2 sub-counties and the whole district, and the Muchanda footpath bridge linking Chihihi Town Council to Nyachikoni and the Katate sub-county.
This is better.